Hi! On my previous video, I talked about inspiration sources, then focused on curves topic and analyzed some of my favorite cars. If you didn't watch it, you can check it later on the link that I will leave on description. On this video, we will use these inspirations while sketching and creating our own car. Let's start by sketching free, relaxed, organic curves. So let your pen go free and create natural curves on paper. Then stretch them, extend them, and change the tension points. Tension point is the changing moment of the curve. If the curve is too regular, tension is not there and creates boring fat forms. So we prefer tension on curves when we design cars. And rather than random tensions, we create certain relationship with other elements of the car. For example, on Maserati Gran Turismo, we see the tension of front muscle is exactly on the top of front wheel center. Also, the tension of rear muscle is on the top of rear wheel center. We can start sketching our own car by keeping those in mind. By the way, on the description below the video, you can see the links for tools I use for sketching on paper and also digital. Also later, I will add a link for my detailed online car design course. I'm sketching curves very relaxed and creating the volumes. It starts with 2D curves, but then you need to keep in mind that there are volumes and surfaces rather than just two-dimensional curves. So we can put section lines to show how organic are these volumes. I make the main feature lines thicker and darker. Then with the light color markers I add a basic shading and sky reflection. With darker color I add thickness and deep shadows like inside the wheel. And that's basically how we used our organic inspirations on the side view. Now let's do some perspective view with the same strategy. I put the wheels in general perspective. Then again, with relaxed lines I'm creating volumes and curves. You can also use photos or professional sketches as base for your own sketch. It's a good way to practice and learn the basics. And after some time and some practice, you don't even need to think about all the analyses you did before. Now it's already on your muscle memory and background of your brain while sketching. So let just yourself be free and keep the harmony and the rhythm on sketches. You will be able to sketch from zero easier by time, and if you are impatient and can't wait, just sketch. You can do the analyze and comparison later and then the corrections. So don't worry about doing mistakes, and you can tag me on Instagram. I would like to see what you do and I would like to give you some feedback. I added colors and shading to rear perspective sketch, but I don't want to mix up all topics and make the video longer. So stay tuned for upcoming stuff to learn about colors, volumes, light and shadow, and many more. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe me on YouTube and give a like. Also follow me on Instagram to see more of my works. Thanks!